stuff that I still had and put it away. And I've ordered a sauna, so that's going to go in the scrapbooking room. So I have to cram everything and
Oh, which is
get
the
it into
scrapbooking room? Was that the room off
the
the kitchen
breezeway.
or?
No, the
Oh, the
breezeway.
breezeway. Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
So
Yep.
it's really nice in there for scrapbooking, but it's the only place really comfortable to put a sauna. So it's only a small one, but yeah, it's still a square metre that you've got to squeeze
Yeah.
out of things. So
Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah. Yeah. I don't
yeah.
like saunas much.
Okay. Yeah, Tony doesn't like them either.
I know some people love them.
I've ordered an ice bath too, but I won't be installing that for a while.
Oh, yeah. No, I wouldn't like that either.
I cannot finish my shower without cold water now.
Yeah,
It's
I
become
know.
such a habit. I know.
I
But
know.
my
It's
tolerance of cold is so much better.
your
Like,
tolerance, yeah.
yeah,
Well, it would
you know,
be, wouldn't it?
well, I
Yeah,
didn't realise that would
climatising of
change
your
it as
living.
much.
Yeah,
Yeah. Well, it
yeah.
increases your what's the word? Circulation, I think, is what
Mm.
it does. So yeah, I'm running around in shorts still at the moment. It's going to
Mm.
be hot today. It's going to be 31 here today. But even at night, I don't really get very cold. Mind you, I'm still having hot flushes in the middle of the night. That doesn't help.
Yeah, yep,
So,
yep.
but I can run around outside and not notice the temperature when it's sort of 17, 18, even a bit lower. And
Mm.
before I'd be like shivering at 21, and
Mm.
putting extra layers on. So, yeah,
Mm.
it's strange.
Mm.
I don't know
Mm.
whether anything else has contributed to it, whether it's the minor change in diet, because I'm still eating sugar and chocolate like it's gone out of style. So still poisoning myself. Yeah. But yeah, it could be the lack of phytochemicals with the lack of vegetables and stuff. Things. I don't know. Yeah. But yeah. So, and I've done an ice bath somewhere else, but it cost me a lot of money just to attend for 1 day and 3 minutes. So this was worth it. Yeah, there's some specials on.
I won't be asking to use your ice bath.
No, I don't think anybody will.